How to draw Donatello from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Donatello, we're going to begin by drawing a small curved line going from left to right here towards the center of our page. This will be the nose. For the next step, we're going to draw Donatello's bandana, which will help separate the top and bottom portions of the head. We'll want to make sure that the left side of the bandana and the right side of the bandana are very similar in length. Nice! For the next step, let's go ahead and connect the left hand side of the top of the bandana all the way over to the right. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now we're almost all done drawing the bandana, but before we can continue, we're going to want to draw the top of the head. So let's draw a big shape that will connect from the left side of the bandana above all the way over to the right. Now we're going to use very small lines on the top and left hand right corners of the bandana to connect it to the head. Next, on the inside of the bandana, we're going to want to draw the outline of the eyes. Keep in mind that for the version that we're drawing, there will be no pupils. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. Well done! Now last but not least, for the bandana, I'm going to draw a small line right above the center that will be connected to the bandana. This will help add a little bit of facial expression to Donatello's face. So as of right now, we have the bandana, the eyes drawn, along with the top of the head. So next, we're going to want to draw the outline of the bottom of the face, which will connect from the left hand side of the bottom of the bandana all the way over to the right. Nicely done! Are you all done drawing the bottom outline of the face? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. From this point, in the bottom empty space, we're going to want to draw the outline of the mouth. Let's begin by drawing one long curvy line going from left to right. This will be the top of the mouth. Then, we're going to make a second curvy line that will be the bottom of the mouth. The second curvy line that we draw will connect to the one that we just made. And after we're all done connecting those two lines, we'll go ahead and add detail to the inside of the mouth. So now we have a small space made that is for the mouth. On the inside here, let's go ahead and draw a row of teeth, which will be made by making a shape that looks similar to a rectangle. And for the last step of drawing the inside of the mouth, let's go ahead and add in one more small line on the bottom left hand side of the teeth. Fantastic! Now we're almost done. For the final step, we're going to want to draw the two pieces of the bandana that will appear to be blowing in the wind. Let's go ahead and draw it right here on the right hand side. When we draw these two pieces of the bandana, they'll appear to be overlapping, so this part might be a little bit complicated. So I typically don't draw any of the Ninja Turtle characters, but yesterday I actually drew Raphael and it turned out really well, which inspired me to draw Donatello today. If you're liking this video so far, then I definitely encourage you to check out the most recent drawing that I made yesterday. I'll include a link to that down in the description below. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Donatello from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, also known as TMNT. If this video helped you out today, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, thanks for drawing with me today. I included a link to my most recent drawing of Raphael right below. Be sure to check that out as well. See you next time.